Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to create a cleaner, distraction-free gallery by hiding the navigation arrows in Divi's gallery module while using the slider layout. This is perfect if you want your images to take center stage, minimize visual clutter, or rely on gesture or keyboard navigation instead of on-screen controls. We'll cover how to keep the slider arrows hidden, including when you hover over the gallery, so your images can become the primary focus. Let's get started. To hide the navigation arrows in Divi's Gallery module while using the slider layout, you can use the Divi Gallery Booster plugin. This plugin provides a simple no-code solution through the Show Slider Arrows setting. By toggling this option off, the navigation arrows will remain completely hidden even when you hover over the gallery. This allows your images to remain the primary focus, free from distractions. For more details about this plugin, check the accompanying post. To set up your gallery with the slider layout and hide the navigation arrows using the Divi Gallery Booster, start by opening the Gallery module settings. Navigate to the Design tab, and under the Layout section, select the slider option. Next, switch to the Content tab and open the Elements section. Use the search box to locate the Show Slider Arrows setting. Toggle this option to No. Once that's done, the slider arrows will be completely hidden, even when you hover over the images. This setup ensures a clean, distraction-free gallery, focusing entirely on your images. After you've turned off the Show Slider Arrows setting, the next step is to save or publish your page. Once that's done, head over to the front end of your site to preview your gallery. Check if your slider displays correctly with no navigation arrows visible, even when you hover over the gallery area. This ensures that your changes have been successfully applied and your gallery is now clean and distraction-free. If you'd prefer not to use a plugin, you can easily hide the navigation arrows in Divi's gallery slider by adding a simple CSS rule directly in the module's settings. This method is quick and completely avoids the need for additional plugins. Once applied, the left and right arrows will be hidden at all times, even when you hover over the gallery, while still allowing users to navigate using swipe gestures or autoplay. Let's walk through how to set this up. To set your gallery to the slider layout, begin by opening the settings for your gallery module. Navigate to the Design tab and expand the Layout section. Here, you'll see an option to select the layout. Choose Slider from the drop-down menu. This change will ensure that your gallery displays one large image at a time instead of showing all the images in a grid format. This setup is perfect for a clean, focused viewing experience. To hide the slider arrows using custom CSS, start by keeping the gallery module settings open. Navigate to the Advanced tab and expand the Custom CSS section. Here, enable the Freeform CSS field. In this field, you will add a small CSS snippet to remove the navigation arrows. The exact CSS code can be found in the accompanying post, but essentially it targets the left and right slider arrows and ensures they are hidden completely, even when hovering over the gallery. Once you've entered the code, your gallery will display without any navigation arrows, leaving the focus entirely on your images. After making your changes, be sure to save or publish your page. Once that's done, head over to the front end of your website and take a look at your gallery. Move your mouse over the slider and check to ensure that the navigation arrows are completely gone. Now, only your stunning images are on display, creating a clean and distraction-free viewing experience. In this tutorial, we've covered two simple methods to hide the navigation arrows in Divi's gallery slider layout. You can either use the plugin option for a quick, no-code solution, or apply a CSS snippet for more control. Both approaches ensure your images remain the center of attention, free from unnecessary distractions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you create a cleaner, more focused gallery experience.